Hi and welcome to our GCP-Mindset channel and all you need to know about clinical research. We'll continue with our series, Challenges in Clinical Research in the Regulatory Environment, this time on medicinal products. More after the break. There are most probably no regulations stricter than those on clinical development of pharmaceutical products. Regulations are set strict not only to protect and advance the public health, but also to ensure drug safety and efficacy. On the contrary, because pharmaceuticals are so strictly regulated, this can in turn impact the development of new drugs, as delays in approvals of some drugs can cause delays in patient access to new medicines. Hence, finding a right balance can be challenging. The regulatory submission process can be challenging and often faces missteps if not followed through carefully. Knowing what hurdles you can stumble upon can help you avoid or mitigate methods to avoid these lapses. We'll take you through some of the challenges often faced during regulatory submissions. More often, we have to consider when handling regulatory submissions key points like what documents or forms are required to be submitted, what information should be provided to the authorities, the number of copies to be submitted, or can we submit electronically? If yes, how do we get access to the electronic submission portal? Under which format do we need to do the submission? Is binding required for hard copy submission? To whom should the submission be done? Where are the regulatory agencies located? What timeline should we pay attention to? When is the project scheduled to start? Do we need an import license? Can we send the investigation or medicinal product directly to the site? Or do we need to involve a warehouse or a pharmacy? Another challenge often faced is regional or country differences. Let's take again US and EU for comparison. In the US, the FDA supervises the drug review process, meaning market approvals are conducted under FDA supervision and no authorizations can be obtained at state level. However, the FDA does not approve clinical studies. In the EU, on the other hand, multiple coalitions are involved. That includes EMA, national competent authorities of the member states, and the European Economic Area responsible for human medicines, the European Commission, and the national authorities of the EU member states. EMA was, however, formed to harmonize all regulatory processes across the EU for drug study authorization. Clinical studies, however, need to be approved by the competent authorities of the EU member states, but the EMA is not involved in the study approval process. It might be that one EU member state approves a clinical study, but another one rejects the same study, whereas the EMA approves the product later on for the entire EU region. And that's it for today on the topic on regulatory challenges on medicinal products. Still not sure where to start from? Talk to a regulatory expert. Until next time, goodbye.
Hey there, don't forget, like and subscribe, but most importantly, click that bell so you never miss another video.